No one told me that running a SaaS would require 10 different subscriptions. Not only is it extortionate, but I can never remember where things are. I'm always having to copy and paste. It's an absolute nightmare. And so in today's video, I'm going to show you these 10 subscriptions that you can cancel and knock your bill down by about 90% and save your brain from the context switching overload. And the tool we're going to show you today is HighLevel. This is HighLevel or Go HighLevel. Very roughly, it puts the CRM at the center and builds everything around that same customer record. So the first subscription we can cancel is HubSpot. Loads of businesses use HubSpot to store contacts, track deals, and manage a sales pipeline. And if that's what you're using HubSpot for, you could just save the $20 and use HighLevel instead. HighLevel gives you contacts, opportunities, and pipelines all around the same customer record. A lead can move from a new lead to qualified, call booked, and won, while their messages, appointments, and payments stay attached to this single customer. And what's something you do to your customers? Email them. Number 2, email marketing. If you're using something like Mailchimp, you can cancel it. Mailchimp is often used for broadcast emails and kind of follow-up drip sequences. And the standard again for this is $20 a month. Although that price rises as your contact list does, which is something I found out the hard way. Inside HighLevel, the form and the workflow use the same lead data. So a new inquiry can trigger a welcome email, wait, remind someone if they haven't booked, and stop once they do. And Workflow AI can help draft the structure. But I would still review it all myself because you don't want to put all the responsibility on AI. And so you're able to do everything Mailchimp can do except directly from the CRM platform. And now how do we get these new leads? Maybe a funnel or a website? Well, number 3 is websites and funnels. ClickFunnels. Now, we've all heard of ClickFunnels. It's used for funnels and landing pages, and it's about the same price as HighLevel, which means even if you just swapped them, you would for free be getting essentially Mailchimp and a solid CRM, plus then the next 7 that I'm going to tell you, because HighLevel has its own website and funnel builders, and its forms and calendars can live directly on those pages. Previously, we created a website using Claude Code and imported it into Go HighLevel. If you want to go and follow that along, which I know a bunch of people already have, check it out in the link in the description below. And by the way, HighLevel are sponsoring today's video, which means you get a free 30-day trial when normally you would only get 14. But as I'm going to show you, they're an amazing product for anyone running a business who doesn't want the complicated overhead that I've gone through going from self-employed to actually trying to run a business. Now next is booking. So you have these customers, how do you actually talk to them? Normally you would try and use something like Calendly, and essentially it gives you availability, a kind of landing page, a booking link, and appointment reminders. And for this, it wasn't just another headache to manage and set up, but it also cost me like $15 a month per person. Whereas HighLevel's calendar connects the booking to the existing contact pipeline and workflow. You just choose the duration and availability, put the calendar on the page, and a booking can move the opportunity into call booked automatically. There's no second system to reconcile afterwards. You're not juggling calendars and websites. It's all in one place, which if you're a solopreneur or a small business, let me know in the comments because I know the pain. And number 5, business phone and SMS. Now, OpenPhone, now called Quo, gives you a separate business number for calls and text. And the price here is about $19 per month per user. And you can now cancel this. You don't have to deal with setting up phones. HighLevel has calling, two-way SMS, and a shared conversations inbox. And the useful bit is that this thread sits beside the contact's email and booking history. Now, phone and messaging usage are charged separately, and something interesting is voice AI. So normally, companies will try nowadays to set up AI 24/7 agents, and they can often be tricky as well. You have to get a number, an AI, a system to have them on, knowledge base. All of this is absorbed into HighLevel because HighLevel have voice AI or conversation AI, and these can be added if those features actually fit your setup. Because of course with AI, only use it if you actually need it. Number 6, courses. A lot of people will use Kajabi or even Skool. And these platforms are cool, but again, you're going to have to manage something separately. They're not going to integrate into your CRM. I've found myself trying to use AI browser use just to get data, and it can be an absolute nightmare. And the basic plan for Kajabi costs more than Go HighLevel, and the basic plan for Skool costs more than Go HighLevel too. So if the main job you need is just to host courses for people to do or for clients to follow, HighLevel has courses and membership products that are connected directly to your contacts and your automations, all in one platform. A purchase or even moving an opportunity to one can grant access without another handoff. But if courses are your entire business model, Kajabi still may be better. But if you just have courses, go HighLevel. Number 7, reviews. So if you use something like Birdeye for managing and requesting reviews, stop. For our comparison, we're using estimated pricing, and it looks to be something like $299 a month for one location. Instead, HighLevel's reputation tools can send a review request after a completed appointment or a one opportunity, then let you monitor and respond to them from this one system. And this is exactly where consolidation helps. When I've been using Skool or other platforms and then you want a review, you have to go and set it up somewhere else and you have to consolidate them in a spreadsheet. Oh, it's a nightmare. But thankfully, you can just use Go HighLevel, so save yourself the nightmare that I've gone through and just go straight to it. Number 8, social media scheduling. Everyone's tried it. We've probably all tried Buffer. It's about $24 per month, but it can be easily replaced with HighLevel's Social Planner. Social Planner lets you create a post, choose the channels, schedule it, and see everything in a single calendar. Now, if advanced social analytics are really key to your business, you are a social media business, then sure, use a product like Buffer. But if you just need consistent scheduling on your social medias, this might be enough to remove another subscription. And you're probably already realizing, unless you have a specialist business model, HighLevel is your go-to place. Now, number 9, forms and surveys. We've all spent $29 a month just to have a couple of forms for people to give us information. This can be easily replaced with HighLevel's forms and surveys. They map answers directly to contact fields and can start a workflow immediately. Here, the project inquiry form captures information, updates the lead, and tags them as warm. Nothing needs to be exported, imported, or matched anywhere. It's all handled in this single system. Finally, number 10, invoicing and payments. Dubsado's starter plan begins at $35 a month for sending invoices and tracking payments. And this can easily be replaced by just using HighLevel. Now, HighLevel keeps invoices and payments on the same customer record. A paid invoice can trigger onboarding, it can move an opportunity, or grant course access without having to copy data from one place to another. Payment processor fees will of course still apply, as they always do, but it gives us a single unified place to manage all of this data together without having to copy paste or create custom pipelines. And there you go. That's 10 separate subscriptions you can now cancel. So not only will you save yourself the lost context of 10 different things that you're trying to copy and paste together, but your monthly price will go from $738 a month to just $97. So go check out HighLevel in the description below. You'll get your 30-day free trial and you'll stop losing leads, clients, and deadlines because everything will be consolidated in a single place. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.